Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and if you are preparing and you just started it, I'll give you 5 advices which I feel that is very important. Number one, decide your source. At the beginning of your studies, if you have taken up a subject, you must be very sure that what books you are following, what online things you are following, so that you don't falter later on. It is advisable that you go for a reliable, tested things which are there for longer time. Go for the standard books, standard guidebooks. So decide your source. Number two, decide what to read in that subject. For the sake of completion, the author will always complete the book. Similarly, a teacher will complete his lectures offline and online. But are all the things in them equally important? They are not. That is why it is extremely important that you select out the topics that you need to prepare. The various sources giving you list of important topics are to be reliably followed, but do talk to your senior who has recently qualified. Second quality. Number three, it's not a short sprint. It's a long race. It's like a marathon. Although people say that 6 months are enough to qualify any exam, I do agree to it. But even 6 months is a huge time. You can take it as 180 days, but I believe that majority of the people will choke on the 160th day. So the third thing, get ready for this marathon. Develop a routine. You must, in your routine, set up your biological clock carefully. Decide the time to sleep, time for your meals, what to eat, what are the type of breaks you will take, a walk or a cycling, or if the environment is favorable, swimming, what exactly will you do, or maybe gymming, but decide your break. I will suggest that keep a thing which is not based on the climate. Like sometimes swimming people choose, but it's not round the clock, round the year. So develop a routine, but keep a time for your break. Number four, I read this line and I believe in this. During the time of crisis, do not listen to people whom you will not go to for advices. That is, talk to positive people. The surrounding environment is so important. It automatically enhances your performance. And I was watching one of the videos on YouTube. It said, even a tail-ender with a good batsman can score better. That's the effect of the environment. So talk to people who are positive. And during this time, if you have people who are giving you more energy, more motivation, it is extremely useful. And number five, that is somehow connected to number 1 and 2, which I believe is of paramount importance. You need to keep a balance between what you read and the MCQs you practice. People most of the time forget this and keep increasing their knowledge. You don't have to do that. You basically have to increase your knowledge to finally crack a question. So these are the 5 things which I believe one must do. Select the source. Very important. In the source, select the topics. Set your routine. Set your people. And finally, keep doing the questions. Thank you very much.